Sunday, driving up the hill on a one-way.
You can still rock your 26 inches blonde hair to the office. I mean, girls do that BT every day. But I feel like if you work in a more like setting, then you probably want to wear hair that's not too extra. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are testing out the tape method. You lay your frontal down and make it look laid, slayed, melt them edges, all of the above, okay? So we are using the tape today for this and to see if it works and to see if it's better than using glue, better than using the Got TV glue gels, better than sewing down or any other method. My very first time trying this method, so bear with me y'all. Bear with me. I felt like it was good for me being a first timer because most of you guys will be first timers and I just want this video to be relatable AF. And also this hair, hunty. Yes, this hair. Ooh, got a little dizzy. This hair is from Premium Lace Wigs. It's a full 360 lace wig. So I do got the lace in the back, which I haven't cut off yet. And it's actually really affordable. This is 16 inches and I got straight hair. I think I got Peruvian straight hair in color 1B and it was $125. Yes girl, $125. So I think this hair is a steal. Much is not too thick, and I know some of you girls don't want a lace frontal plus 4 bundles, all that jazz. You guys want it to be like, you know, easy to manage and easy to move, and I feel like this is really light. Let me get straight into the video. Before we start, please remember to subscribe. Make sure your bell notification is clicked on so you get notified every single time I upload. And remember, you are beautiful, and that's beautiful. So I am going to put my wig on first. You know, not completely. I'm gonna leave this bare. So like I said, I'm using this unit from Premium Lace Wigs, and this is what it looks like. It's a really like low density, and it does have the clips on the inside, if you can see. Cause I'm on a slow grind. Actually even get away with the hair just like this without, you know, using any tape or anything, but we're gonna use the tape for today. And the great thing about Premium Lace Wigs is the kit comes like a kit. So it came with the cap that I used, and it comes with the elastic band that you could put on the back and bobby pins, because we're always using bobby pins. And then it also comes with clips, and this is actually what I'm going to be using right now, just to clip back my hair to keep it out of the way. So I'm using the Topstick, the original men's grooming tape, and I decided to get this one instead of like the bold lace tape just because this one was like $6 compared to $20, and I felt like if I could try this out and it works, then I'm gonna stick with this because y'all know, like I always say, call me sis frugal, because I'm always trying to save a buck or two or three. So here is the actual size of the tape. It's kind of thick, so I'll probably use it as its regular size, like on my sides, but in the very front, I'm probably just gonna cut it. So we gonna cut this thing. Just cut it straight up the middle. First things first, make sure that your forehead is clean. My forehead is already clean, but if yours isn't, make sure you just take like rubbing alcohol and put it on a cotton pad and clean your forehead before you use the self-adhesive tape.
Blowing me off till you.
So I'm trying to get it as close to my hairline, but not on my hairline, as close as possible. Right in the front, I don't have that much hair. It looks like I do because of my edges on the side, but right in the front, I pretty much put it on where I don't have any hair. But on the sides, I'll probably, as you can see, I have a lot of this extraness that are like, it's like crawling to my eyebrow, like just being so extra. So I'm gonna have to put the tape on that side, but when I take it off later, I'm just gonna be very careful to not, you know, rip off my hair. It's really thick, so I'm gonna cut this in half again. Let me use the other half from the other side. And what I like about this so far is I'm not gonna have to use too much tape for everything. Oh, I feel it sticking on my hair. I'm so nervous. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm about to do this side, but I'm gonna move it a little, like give it a little bit more space so that I can reach down here or close to it. Okay, I think that's good. Yep, so I think I did do it. I did it right on this side. So I'm just gonna peel off the cover. Come on, okay. All right, boom, got it, got one, okay. Now, the moment of truth. I'm gonna pull the hair forward and let's see it actually stays. I always try things like for the first time on camera, which is kind of stupid because it's like, it's a tutorial, but I'm a real girl. I'm showing you guys real world things for the average person. Like, not all of us are amazing hairdressers. You feel me? You can see the tape right there. Maybe because this is transparent, but I will say it's held on. It's dope that the hair is on well, it feels secure, and there's not glue everywhere, like not dried up glue everywhere. Okay. I see you, tape. What I like about this hair, like the fact that it's really just lightweight and soft. And normally thin hair is bad, but this, I feel like I could go to work. I could be a whole judge in a court. I could do anything. I feel like this is like professional look. Like you go into the office, this is a really good hairstyle for professionalism. I mean, you could still rock your 26 inches blonde hair to the office. I mean, girls do that BET every day. But I feel like if you work in a more like, you know, setting, then you probably want to wear hair that's not too extra. I'm really not sure how people get rid of, see, you can see it when like light flashes on it. I don't know how people get rid of that. My final consensus on this is I don't really like it, but it's also because I'm a first timer at this. I don't know. I think I have a lot more to learn with this, but I just wanted to test out this method. So that's how I feel about it. It's cute, it's okay. So that is that. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section down below. And don't forget, I'm still doing my hair giveaway, so make sure you're staying tuned because the official announcement of the giveaway is coming up very soon and you don't want to miss it.